Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to half swipe on Instagram messages. So you have to open your Instagram on the Android device or iOS. The solution is for both. So you have to first open your Instagram app. So you have to go to the top right corner of the Instagram messages. So here is the someone messages me. So I will click to the message and scroll down to fast. So you see the new messages. I will unread it, so I will quit the application and again open the Instagram. So you see the notification are same, the messages are same. So you see the message already unread. So this is called to half swipe on Instagram. You see, I will open the folder and message will also remain unread. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.